7935. Lorion, let's play small top lottery. Para po sa ating first winning number. Is our first winning number. Ato ipapalagay ng numero 3 para may makasama sa ating second winning number. Tapos sa ating second winning number.
The number 30 is our second winning number, official winning number, April 12, 2025. With the draw number 7935. We have 330, 330, 330. Maraming salamat po.
Yes.
Mana yan?
Greater. Sige.
Official draw result, April 12, 2025, 10:30 a.m. draw with the draw number 7935. We have 330.